how to add Stripe to Shopify. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add Stripe to your Shopify store. Alright, so let's begin. So first what you have to do is just open up your preferred browser and go to the official website of Shopify. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this type of page. And now I'll show you how to add Stripe. Stripe is a payment method, a payment provider that we can add, and it helps us to accept payments through credit card and different options. So to add Stripe, what you need to do is go to your settings, and then in settings you have to go to payment. Here I can add different payment providers and methods. So you need to go to payment providers right here, because Stripe is a payment provider that has different options for us, such as credit card, and we get a lot of different options. I'm going to click on choose a provider, and now we have to search for Stripe right here. There it is, Stripe. Now you can see it is allowing us to add Visa, MasterCard and Apple Pay as well. So you will just select Stripe. And now you need to enter your Stripe through your Shopify. So I'm just going to enter my email address that I have on Stripe, and then I'm going to enter my password. And now it will just send a verification to me. So you can scan this code through your Authenticator app, or you can also enter the code manually. I will have to verify that it is me who wants to connect my Shopify to my Stripe. And that's it. I will be able to connect my Shopify to my Stripe really easily. So you can just go back. And again, if you cannot see the Stripe option on your right here in payment section, then probably Stripe is not available in your country. Then you need to change your country, or maybe you need to integrate the Stripe and then create a new account and then do it. But most probably you will find it in payment providers right here. So that's basically how you can add Stripe to Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.